Today we're talking about something that is quietly breaking the hearts of caregivers po. Yung mga taong hindi mo laging sinasabi out loud na wala na silang pakialam, parang hindi na niya ako hinahanap, mahal pa ba niya ako? Kasi nga pag may dementia, hindi na silang sasalita. Love didn't leave, hindi siya umalis. Yung memorya po ang nawala. Kasi po meron ng handicap yung brain niya. So, when love stops sounding like words, Dear Ellen, masakit po. Dati, lagi niyang sinasabi na mahal niya ako. Ngayon, parang wala na. Minsan, tinutulak pa niya akong palayo. Meron tayong explanation dyan. Language is one of the first things that dementia changes. Love moves from words to behavior. You might miss how much love would show up kasi hindi mo alam na hindi na sila capable. Yung part ng brain natin na nagpo-process ng language, tinatamaan na yan. Yan ang maunang tinatamaan. Hindi mo na naiintindihan ngayon kung ano ang sinasabi niya. Dear Ellen, hindi niya na alam ang pangalan ko. Pero kapag pumapasok ako sa kwarto, kumakalma siya. Kapag ibang pumapasok, balisa siya at atat, inis. Siguro si Jane marunong makipag-usap, hindi niya kinokontra, hindi niya binibigyan ng reality orientation. Baka yung isa naman is laging confrontational. At kung professional caregiver ka, lagi kang may tag. Anong pangalan mo? At tapos yun ang dapat nakikita niya. Again, huwag masyadong malapit kasi intimate zone nila yan eh. So dapat we have to know kung paano mo aalagaan by checking ano yung gusto niya. So let's explain what's happening here. No? Recognition isn't always name-based. Sometimes it's body-based. Yung nervous system nila remembers yung safety and comfort. When they relax with you, that's love. That's not confusion. That's one way of saying, oh, I appreciate you through my actuations, kahit hindi nila sabihin. A daughter says, Ma, kakilala mo ba ako? Sasabihin ng mom, hindi. Then she holds her daughter's hand tighter. Pero hinawakan niya yung kamay ng mahigpit na mahigpit. Anong paniniwalaan mo? Love ka niya, hindi dahil sa sinabi niyang hindi. Kasi minsan yung words hindi na tama. Pero yung actuation niya na hinawakan niya yung kamay mo ng mahigpit. Ibig sabihin nun, I love you and I need you. Sa dementia care, hindi lahat ng pagkakilala may pangalan. Minsan pakiramdam lang. To all caregivers there, importante yung empathy, importante yung pakiramdam. Kasi sa kanila wala ng words. Remember, they will forget what you did, but they will always remember how you made them feel. Pag tinanong ka niya, kumain ka na ba? Mamayang konti, pagod ka na? That's not the dementia being repetitive. That's actually love stuck on replay. Pag sinabi niya, kumain ka na ba? Concern yun. So, the brain can store new answers na kasi. But yung care instinct, nandun pa rin. Intact pa rin yun. Kasi nga puso eh. Nawawala man ang isip nila pero yung pagmamahal, hindi man nila masabi sa yung love ka nila, nandyan pa yun. And that is their way of telling you na you are appreciated, you are loved. Pag sinabi mo yung, di ma, kumain na ako, ganyan. So, ano ginawa mo doon? You just fed two things. At ginawa mo, you fed her anxiety and her love language. Ang ibig sabihin is, you fed her anxiety and her love language. Yung love language niya, inintindi mo. So, hindi siya ma-agitate. So, every time you talk to your alaga, always make sure that you come across not just with words. Words are gone. Memory is gone. They will not remember. But when ano yung sinasabi niya and how she delivers it, that is language. And you need to learn how to decode it. Ellen, hindi ako maka-CR. Ayaw niya akong lumayo. Kahit mag-CR lang ako, sumusunod, kinakatok pa ako. Kaya minsan, kapag naliligo ako, nakabukas ang pinto. You know, family often says, dependent siya masyado, clingy masyado when they feel something and when they love you. Hindi dahil sa gusto nilang may kasama lagi. Welcome ka sa mundo ko, naka-attach yung comfort ko sa'yo, huwag mo akong iwan. Ibig sabihin nun, kailangan kita, mahal kita, I feel safe with you. So huwag kang mainis na parang kinokontrol ka. In dementia, the world feels so unsafe. And they look for what? An anchor. Ikaw yung anchor. Kaya ayaw kanilang mawala sa kanilang pag-iisip o sa kanilang paningin. Love yun kasi anchor kanila.